Hey guys, welcome to Dee's World. Today is a very special video. I am doing my grandmother's recipe and it is her rice pudding recipe, you guys. In honor of her birthday is August 26th. I said that I'm going to do something special this month that is a representation of my grandmother, and this is it. I grew up eating rice pudding. Believe it or not, rice pudding actually started in India and it moved its way over to the States. So my grandmother introduced this recipe to me as a kid, and you guys, it is delicious. All right. So what you do is you start off with 1 or 2 day old rice, okay? And it's going to be that mushy texture. That's what you want.